And in this first week of September, we'll start by making honey face wash. This face wash is normally for those of us that have hypersensitive face. Whatever you've used on your face, it will react. Or those of us that are battling with redness on the face. Due to use of wrong product, your face is now red. So this face wash is mild. It will not clog your pores, and it will revive back your face. Like, it will bring back your face back to normal because it contains raw honey, like I said. So if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you. I see you. I love you. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. I want to use this opportunity and tell you that there is online skincare training going on. It's 50% discount. You get to learn everything you need to know about starting your skincare brand, making an effective product for yourself and for your clients. There is link in my description box where it will take you directly to my WhatsApp. So I've measured my distilled water. The measurement is on the screen. I'm sure you can see that. So that's the amount of water that we'll be using for this face wash. Is 100 gram batch size, so it's not that much. So these are my active. We have niacinamide and licorice. They are good in clearing your hyperpigmentation, your dark spot, brightening your face, reviving your face. So this combination of two powders, like I said, this face wash is very, very simple and effective. It will revive your face back to normal, and it will lighten it, like that's good lightening. So I dissolved my two powders together because they are all water soluble, so no harm in dissolving them together. So this is our xanthan gum to help thicken our formula. That's the xanthan gum and vegetable glycerin to hydrate it. It's very important. Always dissolve your xanthan gum together with vegetable glycerin to make it easier for you, because when you put it directly in water, it can chunk up your formula and it will not dissolve. So I had a student that once told me she don't like formulas with xanthan gum because anytime she uses it, it will chunk up her formulations. I was like, okay, how did you use it? Like, how do you normally use it? She said she just she normally pour the powder in water and try to stir like quickly, and still it will end up choking and making all lumps. I was like, are you kidding me? Where did you learn that from? So always follow who know road. Like, you get this an opportunity for you to learn how to formulate effectively, how to stop wasting your raw materials with our training. Okay, I have a lot of student testimonies saying all sort of good things about our training. So you are not saying this coincidentally. You are saying this because it's time for you to learn how to formulate your own skincare product effectively that will fetch you a lot of money. So where am I? Yeah, that's the xanthan gum in my distilled water. Can you see how jelly it is? This is just distilled water and xanthan gum, but look how jelly and thick it is. So with that, this our honey. It's original honey. What you need to know is the original your raw material are, the more effective formula you will get, like the more effective finished product you will get. You can formulate products, but because you are using low grade raw material, you will not see the effectiveness you get. So please always know where you're sourcing your raw materials, and then you are good to go. So this is honey. Like I said, this face wash will wow your face. Like, even if you try everything in the world, like it used to clog your pores or it used to be so sensitive, just try this, okay? Just try this formula. Try it for yourself, try it for your clients that keep complaining everything is not working on my face, okay? So remember our dissolve powders. So we mix that in. Also, see how thick and very beautiful our face wash is coming up. So I want you to know that even if you don't have these lightening powders, this niacinamide and licorice that we use, you can make this face wash with just your honey. Yeah, the only thing you need to do is you increase the percentage of honey that you're going to use. That 3 grams, 4 grams of powders that we use, you all put it in your honey. Like all the grams, you add it up to your honey and then make it. It's not necessary that you have to use the powders. Some clients will be like, they don't want any brightening or lightening, they just want to revive their face back. So this is an advantage for you to save your raw material and then give them effective product, because the honey alone in this product will help to revive their damaged face back. So that is our cocoa betaine. That is the only surfactant we are going to use in this formulation. So reason is, I don't want this face wash to be too foamy. You get to be too foamy. That way it used to react on a lot of people's face, and then it used to strip out any form of moisture in your face. You feel like when you finish using some face wash, your face will be so dry. Like, this will not give you that. This will never give you that. This cocoa betaine will foam moderately on your face the way you want it, and then it will leave your good oils on your face. You get. So that's the preservative, and then here we measure our pH. It's around 5.5, which is normal. Okay, so that is all for this. I have tons of videos in my channel where you can learn how to start formulating skincare products yourself, know some things before you join the training, or if you just want to go all in, which is very okay, you can join our online training. It will help you.